I got issues, but I love myself.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm finally back with another video, and I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. See, and let's get started. Okay, so during this lockdown, I have developed an interest for accessories. Like I used to love them earlier as well. But earlier I only used to like earrings. I would not wear anything else, like not necklace, no rings, nothing. But in lockdown, I developed a huge fan base. I don't know if you can call it a fan base, but anyways, I started loving chains and rings as well. And since then, I have been wearing all sorts of accessories, and I love having them. But it's just that I don't wear rings, which make my hand go green. या तो कुछ metal का reaction होता है ना. I'm not reacted to every metal, but some of them I don't know which metal. So yeah, so if it is there, then I won't wear pura then. But yeah, I obviously wear. So today, I thought, why not make the DIY clay rings? So here we are. That is the reason I have not worn any rings today. So here we are going to make our very own rings, and I did not do any research as such, but yay, let's begin. I want to make them. I don't have any clay rings, so it'll be fun. Plus I am too creative, so I have the thing for art and shit. So let's see if we can do anything today. So I ordered this from Amazon, and yeah, this is the polymer oven bake clay, नहीं bake clay क्या है, oven clay क्या है, कोई तो clay है ना. I'll open this. I haven't even opened it, and it got delivered, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, and I have been planning to make a video since then, but I could not get time with my studies and all. So here we are doing this now. ASMR bubble wrap. Okay, let's get to it. So this is what it looks like. I love this pastel colors. All these colors are ekdam pyar only, but these colors are thoda dark. I will try to make rings with all the colors. I'll try to do that. So to make it, I am using this and this to roll it out, because बेलन अगर normal use किया तो मम्मी मारेगी उसी से. That I am using, and I don't know if I'll take the measurement of this permanent marker or actually take the measurement of my finger. So let's get started. Let me open this first. No, that is not how I want to open it. Yeah, half of the things I'm doing here are therapy types only यार. कितना फन है यार ये सब चीज लोग लॉकडाउन में डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं यार. ये सब पहले करना चाहिए था ना. They're so cute. They were okay. So like I have this table with me. Weird. I'll have to adjust the camera. Wait. So here are the clay, and I think first I'm going to go with this white and this black. Okay, I'll do a cow print. Let's see how it goes. Wait. क्या fun है यार ये सब. I have to handle them very carefully because I have to make काफी सारे rings. No, black I won't need much, but पहले first let's do white का sheet. Now how do I flatten this thing out? शिट, मेरे पास फ्लैट करने के लिए कुछ है नहीं. I think I'll just use my mobile. Wait, does it fit my only? It does. But I will have to make it flat. फिर एकदम मस्त हो जाएगा. Wait. So this is my phone. I'm going to use it. And just press it real tight. Oh. Oh, this is so cute. Aren't you cute? Now I have to see if the flattened part fits my hand. Because that part fits. Ooh, it fits. It fits. But the white's getting dirty. I think. This has dust on it. Now it's getting dirty, the white wala part. But anyways, we'll take छोटू parts of black. वो इतना भी छोटा नहीं लेना था. I'll attach it again. There's a lot of background. Does anyone say Jane the Virgin? Bro, what show it is, man. मजा आ गया देख के भाई. But only showing बहुत लंबा चलता है, बहुत लंबा है. उसके 6 seasons है. And हर season में it has I think 25 episodes. 25 6 कितना होता है? 6 5 30. तो 3 carry over 6 to 18. 210. Can you imagine? 210 episodes. I mean, Friends में भी नहीं, Friends में 18-20 था ना. हाँ. And seasons भी काफ़ी थे, 11 seasons थे. तो 11 into चल 20 राउंड ऑफ कर लेते हैं. 11 into 20 कितना होता है? 220. और मैंने अभी इसका कितना बोला? 210 ना, 210 बोला. हाँ ठीक है यार, मतलब कम ऑन. बट पता है उसमें ना कैसे सीजन्स बड़े बड़े, इसमें कैसे सीजन्स भी ऐसा है ना, तो लगता है कि छी यार क्या कर रही हूँ मैं. बट मैं फिर भी देखती रहती हूँ. इट्स वेरी फन. और भाई ऐसे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स दीज गाइस सिलेक्ट ना, सो गुड दे लुक. पता नहीं यार इंडिया में ऐसे लोग क्यों नहीं है. सब यार उधर ही भरे पड़े हैं. मेरे को भी चाहिए पता है ऐसे ऐसे क्यूट दिखने वाले लोग. कोई है नहीं यार. क्या मस्त लग रहा है मेरा अंगूठी ब्रो. एंड दिस इज माई लास्ट ब्लैक spot which I wanted to put, and it's done. Video would be more of, you get to see my art wala side and me talking less and doing more work. This looks so cute. I mean, it's not a cow print shit, but कितना cute है ये. This is so fun, bro. I really want to do this with someone, yaar. I mean, look at this. Don't you find it super cute? I love it, bro. I'm going to keep it aside. Yeah, see, there is this section now. This section will be all for my rings only. Yeah, now I'm thinking, let's do green color ka. But yeah, pastel green I want to do. हाँ, and I'm thinking, जो मेरा ये है ना, green का थोड़ा सा pastel I'll take. And उसके बाद I'll make another ring जिसमें ना I'll use blue and purple का combination. हाँ, I'll not show one ring, I'll show 2-3 rings. And फिर ना फास्ट फॉरवर्ड पक्का पक्का है फास्ट फॉरवर्ड. दिस आई विल मेक प्लेन ऐसा सर्कुलर टाइप. I'll have to make it even out. Hair now here in my hometown, my hair is getting really very messy, so I tied it up in a ponytail, pigtail, and it's not raining here, so it's kind of good. My clay is not getting even out. I'll have to roll it up first again. Jogi chile. I need to stop singing this. I don't know how to roll out a clay. Do it again. So I finally made this ring. I made it double. I'm thinking कि next color which I select ना उसमें I'll make double rounds. ऐसा करूँगी फिर मैं. हाँ तो I'll make it 4 rounds का. It will look so beautiful. Yep. This is very good yaar. I love this. I'm enjoying this so much. हाँ तो I'm thinking पहले we'll make bubble gum types, okay? वैसा blue and pink को we'll mix थोड़ा सा and we'll make that. Okay, so literally after 5-10 minutes, I am done with this. This is what I'm doing, and my brother planned to join me, and he has made this. So yeah, I'll keep you updated and convert it into 20. So these two, red, yellow, pink, were made by my brother. So let's get to others. Only 3 are remaining, and uske baad I'll see what to do. It's a kind of, hectic. No, it's not hectic. It's very lovable and enjoyable task. But it's that you have to really, really focus on this. So yeah, I have done 17 as of now. And it did not take me ज़्यादा time also. Only except one ring, these. ये वाला चीज़ जो है ना, it took me a lot of time. Yeah. So that's that. And आगे का I'll have to continue अभी. Okay, so I am finally done with my rings and it is time to put them in the oven. But yeah, I did not put the glaze on them because I don't have it, as I said. So for putting them in the oven, you need to preheat it at 140 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And when you put the rings, you need to bake it at 140 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is how the rings are finally looking, and we are going to put them in the oven. I did not use the butter paper because alas. So let's get to the oven. My brother made the stupid ball because he has nothing else to do. So this magnificent looking ball, wherein I mixed the colors, he just rolled it into it. He made this ball. Okay, so finally it's in the oven. Let's keep it. And here something else is also cooking, so never mind. Finally I'm done with my rings and they look so beautiful. But yeah, I did two mistakes. I did not put a butter paper. I should not have been lazy. And the thing which was cooking, it had sugar syrup in it. So the sugar syrup fell on the rings. Not all of them, but yeah, 2-3 rings that fell on, and it did actually spoil it. But let's see if I can remove the sugar syrup after that. And this is how they finally look after the baking. I did not require 30 minutes of baking them, but it was done in like more or less 8-10 minutes only. And this is how they finally look, and they turned out to be so damn beautiful. I absolutely love them. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.